Yasas Apustin Elada, more specifically Crete. This is Agia Marina and I am on vacation in Crete once again. So yes, you can also see the Greek flag. So yeah, I am exploring Greece once again for a 8-day vacation, 7 nights, and I am gonna be my hotel here is at Agia Marina, a small village very close to Chania. Actually, I was flying to Chania. That is the airport. That is half an hour drive in that direction, and you can see also Chania in the distance there. So yeah, it is 20th of April, and you see how the wind is blowing and the flag is going waving so high. And yes, so it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air, so it's quite warm, and based on the satellite measurement it is 18.1 in the water, but we're gonna find out very soon if that is true with my measurement, with my thermometer that I brought from Sweden. So the beach adventures with Chris continue in Greece, and if you have noticed also, Chris rhymes with Greece. No pun intended. But yes, I'm gonna be... So this is a completely different side of Crete that I'm exploring right now. As last year I was on the southeastern part of Crete, which was Akrigielos, and right now I'm on the northwest part of Crete, if that is the right direction that I'm telling you right now. But yeah, it is actually my third time in Crete. First time was when I was young, very young. Maybe I was 11 years old. With my family we were traveling to one smaller city close to Iraklio. Actually not close, but with a bus ride from Iraklio. It was on the north side, but north middle side of the island. Because Crete is a very huge island. It is the 5th largest island in the Mediterranean. The first one is being Sicily, the second one is Sardinia, the third one is Cyprus, where I have been several times before. Corsica is the 4th, and Crete is the 5th largest island in the Mediterranean Sea. And you can see how the sea looks like. Quite interesting. And yeah, I am changing now the 0 degrees lakes with this type of beauty here in the Mediterranean Sea, and I'm about to take measurements of the water as you enjoy the view over here and the beach. And there is basically nobody on the beach, as we are at the beginning, at the very beginning of the season. So that is why it is basically empty. There are some people just walking by, but nothing more than that. So let's see if the satellite radar is correct. So something around 17 here it says, which is true because I can feel it in my legs. It's very warm water, and it's been a while since I've been in this warm water. In Morocco, in Agadir, last month it was around 16, so this is slightly warmer than that. So I'm really looking forward to take a swim, the first one out of many that I'm gonna take during my vacation here. So let's go together and see if we're gonna have some sun or some changing cloudy setting soon. But yeah, you can see the beach, you can see the water, Mediterranean Sea. Slightly waves today because of the winds, but it's gonna be warmer. I read it's gonna be 30 degrees on Tuesday, so that one must be used wisely that day. And yes, I'm going to explore different beaches here on the side of Crete. Let's see if I will be able to manage to visit two of the best ones from the island that are called Sea and Palos. It's very difficult if you don't have a car to reach those, especially out of season, because there are not so many frequent buses and not so many tours as well. But you can see there now, in the distance, there is snow on the mountains. So this is very interesting setting now that I'm swimming in the sea while I see slightly snow in the mountains. Not so far away from here. I mean, that mountain is very close. But yeah, that's different type of climate on the same island. Okay, wind is blowing. Let's then enjoy this wonderful day here, 20th of April in Crete. Let's go! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's not even cold. I really don't know why nobody is on the beach. It's so warm. Okay, except the guy from 0 degrees Celsius, so I'm not the best person to ask if it is cold in the water or not. But believe me, I mean, it's beautiful. I measured 17, based on satellite it's 18. It may be different because of the wind, how the wind blows, but very good. Let's dive in once again. It is very nice. It is pure sand. Only there is no stones, no rocks, so it's perfect. So I'm gonna have fun. So much fun here. Okay, I'm gonna swim some more because this water you can stay basically a very long time. It's not like my Sweden Beach adventures for 1 second only. So thanks so much for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!